Hi kids, I'm back. I have Pikachu with me and a special guest.
Hi, remember me? I'm Officer Henderson, and I have a friend with me, Charmander.
And Pikachu and Charmander are going to compete in a competition. A game called Tic-Tac-Toe. And as they're doing it, they're going to make sure they use good manners, they have fun, and they're going to tell you what they're doing. You ready?
Sure.
High five. Okay, first things first, it's always the same. I pick up my pencil and I write my name. Miss Henderson.
Do I get to write my name too?
Sure, but you gotta say the song. First things first, it's always the same. I
Pick up my pen
and I write my name.
Alright. So as a police officer, we write everything capitalized, so I apologize, kids.
And also remember, you guys are going to first grade, so you need to start writing the date. For Miss Henderson, it's April 26, 2020. So when you play tic-tac-toe, you need to make your board. So when you make your board, it's a big line down, big line down, big line across, big line across. Okay. Now, Officer Henderson and I are going to pick out some colors. Officer Henderson, what color would you like to use?
Actually, I would like to use black, but if I can't use that one, then I will use red.
There's some black in there if you want black.
That's okay. I'll use red.
Okay, I'm going to use
Charmander's fire.
Pikachu is the yellow, so we're going to use yellow. Okay. Now, remember, when you're playing games, you have to have good manners. So it's always polite to ask the other person first. So, Officer Henderson and Charmander, would you like to be X's or O's?
You said we would like to be X's.
Okay, so we'll be O's. So you have to choose X's or O's. Okay, now to decide who goes first, you can be polite, let the other person go first, or to make it fun, you can do rock, paper, scissors. You ready?
2 out of 3 or just?
Just one time.
Just one time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Ready?
Uh-huh.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Alright, so I had scissors, so I cut his paper, so I get to go first. And I'm O's, right?
You
Okay.
are O's
Okay.
and we are X's.
Pikachu, you ready? Where do you want to go? Okay. Now it's your turn. I went in the middle. Where are you going to go?
I am going to go, well, Charmander says I think he wants to go top right?
Yeah.
I can say top right?
Yeah.
Okay. Do that.
Okay. So now it's our turn. And I'm going to go. Pikachu, where do you want to go? He's going to go below Officer Henderson. Below. Oh. Okay. Now it's your turn.
Me and Charmander, we're going to go next.
It's fine.
Next to Miss Henderson's O. And we're going to go right. There you go. Write it for me, buddy. Appreciate you.
Okay. So now that it's our turn, Pikachu and I are going to go above Officer Henderson's X. Above. More O's. Okay. Okay, it's your turn.
Okay. Charmander, do you trust me? You trust me, right? Okay. I'm going to go below Miss Henderson's circle. So we're going to go right there.
Okay. Pikachu, where should we go? Okay. We are going to go below our circle and next to Officer Henderson's X. Okay.
Let's see. I think I'm going to go below my X, but next to Miss Henderson's circle.
So we only have one spot left. So I'm going to submit it. Oh, Pikachu! And it looks like we have 3 in a row. So we win tic-tac-toe.
Sorry, little guy. My bad.
I'm glad you lost, very appropriately. High five. Good game.
No.
Oh, kids, is that how we lose when we play a game? Is that how we should act? How should we act?
We should apologize for our actions and act graciously.
Good job. High five. Good
High
game.
five.
Do you want to play again?
Sure, we can play again.
Okay. Well, we're going to play again. I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you for watching. I'll see you
later.
guys soon. Bye.